Hi guys, so we're at Carlton On Trent level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Go and Golden Minecart. There we go, time is 17:32 on Wednesday, the 23rd of September 2000. This is for our 17:34 1 Echo 90 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Ludicrous Cross to Edinburgh. That right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Australia's World Cup campaign is also underway. They're taking on Fiji and Cardiff in Pool A. Tough time there. Australia lead.
Right. We could be double staying next closure. Can you quickly go onto your RTT and tell me what the next train is after this?
I'm actually recording at the moment, so because if I leave the camera, then it will actually go off.
The camera will freeze, but I'll quickly just go off the page and be quick as I can, okay?
Right.
Won't do anything, it's just going to be like that for a minute.
Yeah.
Next is 17:38, 1 Alpha 41, Virgin Trains East Coast Series, and the Ludicrous Cross to Ludicrous Cross.
And the people who are watching on my channel, I'm actually recording this video from the
Messenger call.
Yeah, the messenger call.
Yeah.
And he's currently recording right now.
It's actually got a video button.
So if you guys are wondering that I'm currently there, I'm not. I'm actually at home, and I'm currently recording.
They'll actually probably think that you'll actually probably know that you're recording off someone's stuff thing because you can always see the iPad screen on your video. You've got.
Oh, I think she's there.
Yep. 82-200. 82-200. 30, Ludicrous Cross.
And
They're going up. Up they go.
Up they go. And then you guys will see in the next video.
Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.